back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing lemonade. Hibiscus strawberry lemonade that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this refreshing hibiscus strawberry lemonade. These are the ingredients. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pinch of salt, lemon, strawberry, hibiscus flower, water, and ice. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I first want to start by hydrating my hibiscus flowers. I rinsed them very good through running water, and now I'm just going to soak them with regular temperature water. I'm going to leave it here for about 3 to 4 hours until the hibiscus flower has released the aroma, the flavor, and the color. And now I am ready to make my simple syrup. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to let it cook and boil for just a couple minutes. When the water turns light yellow and it starts bubbling, then that's when you know that your simple syrup is ready. I'm going to turn off the stove, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature. While it comes to room temperature, I am ready to start slicing my organic lemons from my garden. Of course, with this little gadget, I am going to obtain all the amazing juice. Yes, I'm going to use about 1 cup of lemon juice. I have 2 cups of strawberries that I'm going to take the little stem off, making sure that I don't take the pulp out. Once I have them nice and sliced just like that, I am going to rinse them really good through running water. This part is very important. You want to take the debris, the dirt that the strawberries have, making sure that you rinse them really good. I am going to transfer them to this plate, and then I am going to rinse them very good. Disinfect them. Now I am going to show you that I have all the ingredients ready. The hibiscus flower has bloomed, has already released the amazing aroma, flavor, and color. I have my simple syrup, my lemon juice, my pinch of salt, and now I am ready to make this refreshing and delicious lemonade for summer. Look at this. I am going to put through a sifter the hibiscus liquid, and now I am ready to start adding the strawberries into it. I'm going to add the strawberries, and I'm going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is going to bring up those amazing flavors of the hibiscus and the strawberry, and it's going to help with the acidity of the lemon. And now I am ready to blend. Look at this. They look amazing. I am going to blend it really good in my NutriBullet. I only use the NutriBullet for my lemonades and my smoothies. And now I am going to pour. I'm going to add a little more of the hibiscus liquid into it. I'm going to add the simple syrup, the lemon juice, and I am going to whisk away. Look at this. The color looks amazing. The aroma of the hibiscus flower and the strawberry, just a perfect combination. Look at the color of this lemonade. I can't wait to enjoy. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to enjoy it with your beautiful family. I have an extra lemon here that I'm going to slice for the decoration of the pitcher and my glass. Remember to remove the seeds. Okay, here I have my pitcher with lots of ice. I'm going to add the slices of the lemon. I'm going to add slices of the strawberries. And I can't wait to enjoy, to tell you the truth. It's nice and hot here, and I can't wait to refresh myself with this amazing lemonade. Look at this. It's nice and thick. The color is just amazing. The texture, oh my gosh. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing hibiscus strawberry lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The perfect combination. You need to try it. It's so refreshing, and the combination of the hibiscus and the strawberry, perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing hibiscus strawberry lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.